So what's up here? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to troubleshoot EMXX motherboard, EMXX A70 FM2 version 1.1. So the problem here is it's running the Windows, but every time you restart the computer, it's doesn't directly boots to the desktop. Instead, it boots in the BIOS. So yeah, so after that we updated the BIOS, but unfortunately it's corrupted. So we are going to change that. So first thing, so we are going to power. So this is the current BIOS here, chipset. So we are going to turn it on. We try it so that you will see what is going on. Okay, so we are going to power on. It's power on, but no display at all, no keyboard response, mouse is disabled as well, no response anymore. yeah so the problem is not the memory, the power supply, but the BIOS. So we're going to change that from my used PC, the damaged one. So the damage of this is the motherboard. So we pull out the BIOS here. Here, so you can see that near at the battery. Okay, so yeah, so here's the BIOS. Okay, it is the BIOS from our computer, the old one. So the what we call the motherboard is also EMXX A70 FM2. So make sure that if you are going to replace the BIOS, make sure that the model is the same with the motherboard, wherein the BIOS is you get it. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. So now, so we are going to power off the computer, then we are going to plug in the new one. Yeah, so I've tested everything. So I reset the motherboard to the factory settings, but no doesn't work. I replaced the memory here, another memory card, so but doesn't work. So so I've also pulled out the battery. As you can see that, and the battery. So but it doesn't work. So we need to replace the BIOS. Okay. So yeah, so we're going to power off. So we are going to pull out this one. Then insert this one. Okay. So here, so we have a plier here. So we're going to pull it out. So make sure that we have the guide here. So the what we call the dots, like that one. So yeah, make sure that we are going to replace it, so the position is the same. Okay, so we are going to pull it up. Okay, BIOS. Okay, so here's now the defected, no, the damaged BIOS. Okay, so then we are going to replace that with our new BIOS. Okay, so okay. Okay, all right. So yeah, so the new one is now seated its proper position. So we're going to turn it on. We will see what will happen. All right. So then, okay, we're going to turn it on. Okay. So we will see it. Okay. So it's now loading. No? Okay, so it's failure, but nothing's worse about it's it's working. As you can see there. All right, so it's working. It's working now. Yeah. All right. It's working. Then we are going to shut down it once again. Then we are going to put it on the CMOS battery so that it will redirects to the BIOS to the stop, so that the checksum error layer will be removed. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, so plug it in, then power on. Then we are going to set the BIOS. So we're going to press delete to enter setup. Then system time Saturday. January 02/03. Going to save it, save changes and receipt. So for that, every time we restarted our computer, so it will redirect to the desktop, and those checksum error will be not appearing anymore. See it. Alright, it's working. So we're going to restart it now. Okay, as you can see, it's redirected to the desktop. No checksum error anymore. So that's good. That is good. The problem is solved. Alright. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching, and I hope it's give helps to those who have problem like this. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye bye.